want to feed me a worm out of my bosom?
Go ahead, Sam.
No, I'm
I'm gonna get.
I already had dessert. Sorry.
No, I'm a hungry bird. I'm a hungry bird.
Yeah, you should eat for work.
Ah!
Why don't you come in and they'll feed it to you? Come on in. Yeah, you come in. It's good.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Come on in. We gotta go,
yeah,
but
go to the gym.
they love the company.
Have fun
Really.
feeding yourself.
Alice, they don't get out much. So.
I saw you the other day.
Yeah, you saw me in the bathroom and it was terrifying.
I'm feeding a worm.
No, I can't. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry,
I'm watching Wheel of Fortune.
I'm choking on a worm. The
Is something fish in the sea?
hamburger. Hamburger.
What is this for?
I'm talking about Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is for entertainment purposes.
What's the video camera for?
What is it? What is it for?
It's a documentary of some
It's a documentary, that's right! No! My face is falling off. Who is it?
I forgot my CD player.
You gave me a worm.
Why do you say a while? Ian. Well, I really gotta go to the gym.
Ian, come on, Ian.
But you guys
Do it,
Yeah, I
Ian.
gotta go to the gym too.
Feed me a worm.
Ian.
No,
Feed me a worm.
Ian, the poor girl's starving. Come on.
No! I'll call my mommy. I'll call my mommy bird.
then she can feed the worm too. Yeah.
She always regurgitates it into my mouth and it tastes like vodka.
Well, I'm sorry.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, God.
See, not even you can do it without